Today we're going to conduct a very scientific experiment on something that I was wondering about the other day while I was driving. I haven't tried it yet. I figure I might as well try it on camera, so here it goes. What happens when I press the start-stop button while the car is driving? My car is a manual. I don't know if that affects anything, and I'm going to try a couple of variations. First, I'm going to try it in gear, second in neutral to see if it shuts off or not. What happens if you need to shut off the car while the car is in motion? Can you do that? We'll find out. So here it goes. Never tried it. There are no cars behind me, so here we go. You ready? I'm doing 22 miles an hour. So 22 miles an hour. All right, nothing happens. 22 miles an hour and nothing happens. Now what happens when I put the car in neutral? So the car is in neutral. Nope, still nothing. The engine is still on. What if I hold the button for, oh, okay, so when you hold the button for a while, it shuts off. Then you hit the clutch and it turns on. So we've discovered that you can't simply press the button and shut the engine off. You have to hold the button. So let's see, I'm not gonna dare to do it in gear, but let's put it in neutral. And again, engine is on. When I press the button, the engine is still on. When I hold it, ha! All right. So the RPM dropped completely. I still have power steering. So the engine is off, I guess because it's electronic power steering. I still have power steering. Do I have brakes? I still have brakes, but I guess they still feel the same. The speedo works because I guess that's driven by the back wheels, but holy moly, I did not expect that. So again, let's start the car again. We have to obviously start the car with the foot in the clutch, or on the clutch. So the car's in gear. You said, oh man, I have to shut the car off. You put the car in neutral. When you press the button once, it doesn't work, but then you hold it, see, the car shuts off, but you can still steer the car to wherever you need to stop. Let's say you need to stop here. You steer the car and you stop the car here. Look, as soon as the car stops, everything just shut off. So there's no more power steering. The car unlocked. It thinks that I fully stopped and I'm ready to exit the vehicle. Everything in the dash seems to be off. Although the ignition did stay on. But again, as soon as I put the foot on the clutch, start the car, we're back to normal like nothing ever happens. Let's try a little faster. 40 miles an hour. Shut the engine off. Oh! Look, engine off. Everything's good. Let's see if we can restart the engine. Clutch in. Yes! Restarting the engine on the fly. Haha! So that works too. If you need to restart your engine on the highway, you can still do it. The things that I do for you people. Anyways, I hope this was somewhat helpful in answering a question that you may have had about whether or not you are able to shut the car off while driving, and I've demonstrated that you can, and the car will allow you to pull to the side where you need to, or when you need to, or will allow you to restart the vehicle when you need to as well. So the only thing you have to do is you have to hold the start-stop button for a little while. Now, I've only tested it on this car. I don't know if it works the same on most new vehicles. I feel like most vehicles with electronic or electric power steering should work the same. But not that I'm asking you to try it, but if you are on a closed road, maybe somewhere in your driveway, see if that works and maybe comment below. And if you like this video, maybe give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, although this video probably wasn't the most thrilling out of all of them. I do make better videos. But I was coming back from daycare and I wanted to try something different. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. Woo! And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Let's see if we can coast onto my driveway with no power. So no power, no power. Oh my God, this is how I can get back home late at night without waking anybody up. Look, quiet. This is a hybrid mode. We never knew this car had. All right, and we're done. Thanks for watching.